What's up, people? Jacob here again. Another Zeppo Works video for you. Starting the day out in the junkyard. Get some parts for the EP3. You see Kenny there. Like he's doing something. Got tool bags. Y'all can see that. There you go, right there. So, stay tuned for more. See how this day turns out. Getting parts. Never know. Might ride out tonight. See what kind of action's going on. Alright? Stay tuned for more. Zeppo Works.
Que te dije que se me partió esta parte de aquí. Pues él me va a hacer la parte completa aquí y me va a hacer esto que agarre abajo. Y esto va a ser escondido abajo del platito. Y entonces él me va a hacer la tubería aquí y me la va a soldar para el lado para que yo pueda echarle el dedo. Esa es bien clean. Y él me lo va a hacer todo así, me va a hacer la tubería de acá para yo sacarlo por aquí porque te hace los platitos. Para el aire, te hace los platitos.
Well, people, you see it. Deal's done. Title in hand. New project for the channel. Whew. We'll talk more on this later. Okay, people. So, this is where I'm sitting at right now. In the new project. Let's get a look at it. New project. What can I say about it? I'll just tell you right now, this is not my first Nova. This is my first standard Nova. Yes, it is. High school, I had a 68 Nova. It used to originally belong to my oldest brother, Dave. Got the car from him. And I'll tell you one thing, sitting here, look at the steering wheel, this dash. Brings back memories. And it's going to be so much better with this, and that. Oh, you know, popping it first, boom, second, third, fourth, and right here, wait, yeah, it's in there, wait, playing with too much tape. All right, let's reverse. See it right there. Yeah. Her shifter. Got some bucket seats. Yeah, these nice racing buckets. And then the door panels are right there. Just gotta color match those as well. I need to source the rear ones, but the back seat's back there too. So I'll probably get the back seat recovered black as well. And I gotta get the carpet. But yeah, some extra parts. But y'all see it, new project. I'm gonna go get some gauges, remount them down here. You know, but and I gotta take this out too. So yeah, but this was original V8 from factory. We looked up at the VIN, and I think it was 3 on the tree. And now it's got a Muncie M20 in here, and the rear end as well, 8.5. I think it said 342 gears, posi. So I'll check that out. I'm gonna go through it all. You know, I mean, I drove it here. I'll tell you that right now. I drove it here. It was fun. I didn't even get past 2,000 RPM. Oh, they didn't crack it open. Stay tuned, people. Stay tuned.